Hello, do you know that as a youth you can still make money while going to school? Do you know that as a youth you can still make money while you are young with products you use every day? Do you know that as a working person you can still have a side hustle and make money? That is what we call network marketing. Network marketing is what we do every day on a daily basis without knowing it. So our company is calling on you to come do the same thing you do every day and you will get paid. What is that we do every day? We recommend products, items for people on daily basis without being paid. But when you do that with my brand, Longreach by Science International, you will get paid for doing that. How does this work? Longreach is a manufacturing company that is into multi-level marketing. We know that people share about the product they like. Lotion, clothes, hair, soaps and all that. We can't keep calm when it comes to all those. Once it's good and we like it, we share. So this company says we will pay you for doing that. Just share, keep sharing and bring in more people to use this product. Longreach Science International is a 35 years old plus company and still counting that manufactures for other brands. They manufacture for Avon, Unilever, Marks and Spencer, lots and lots of them. But they have their own brand of products ranging from personal care, healthcare equipment, and all that. Toothpaste, body wash, lotion, energy series like the energy pot, energy shoe. We also have alkaline pie cup. We also have our dietary supplement. These are products we use every day, and the company is telling you, come use the product, share with others, and you will get paid for doing that. Does this sound strange? Oh no, this is what we do on every day. You make your hair and somebody asks you, oh, where did you make this hair? I like it. And you gladly share, oh, it was this person by this address that made the hair. You have already recommended a customer or a client for that person unknowingly or knowingly. But you are not paid. You didn't even get a thank you from them. But my company, Longreach Science International, will say thank you for recommending any customer. That is what we do. You too can be part of this. But today I'm speaking to mainly the youth. These days things are getting serious, that it seems like everything is coming down, crashing and all that. But as a youth, I'm telling you that you can make money with those things you use on a daily basis. And to add it all, these are products that promote youthfulness, makes you look younger. Let's start with waking up in the morning, you brush your teeth, you use Longreach toothpaste. You take a shower, you use Longreach soap or Longreach body wash. Whichever one you are. Some people use soap, some use body wash. You use it for bath. You apply your lotion, you use Longreach cream or Longreach lotion. When you are in your menstrual period, you use a sanitary pad. This is Longreach Science International sanitary napkins. We have our panty liner. We have our sanitary pads. We have 3 types of it: the night use, the day use, and the light flow use. This is our day use. What is so special about these sanitary napkins? Other napkins in the shelf, you see, this is properly sealed. Other parts in the shelf, once you open the pack, it's always open. But this has a resealable pack. You open it, you take out the pad, and you seal it back, giving maximum protection. No bacteria will go into this panty liner. Same thing with our pad. It is resealable. It says open, You open, you use your pad, you reseal it. When you open this pad, it is sealed 360. It is sealed that no germs can penetrate. Let me show you. I already opened this, so I'm going to work with it. When you open a panty liner or any of our pad, all of them have the resealable pouch. You take it out. This you can drop into your handbag or into your pocket because it is sealed. There is no way that germs or any particles or any object can go into it. It is sealed 360 degrees. See? Some pad in the shelf have openings. Things could easily go in and get contaminated. But this is sealed 360 degrees. So when you open the pad or panty liner, this is our panty liner, this is what it looks like. Open it. It is 100% cotton. You can feel the comfort. Cool. It's not hot. It does not have nylon. It's made with 100% cotton. Just stick it on. It has the green anion strip. This strip is what makes ours the best. Why? Some pads in the shelf, when you open it up, you see a color. Some are blue, some are green. But when you touch it, it comes off. Imagine when that goes into your body. Those are paints. Once it comes off, it is paint and it's not good for us. But this has the real anion strip. It's not a paint. It's a strip that it's removable. What do I mean? You actually can take it out. This is the strip. You can take it out completely. You can take it out of the pad. What does this do? This strip is what helps with blood circulation, keeps away odor, because when we're in our flow, we have this odor that forms bacteria and fungus and all that. But this keeps it off. This helps to treat menstrual cramps and infections. If you're having menstrual cramps, this pad is for you. This stripe also helps with a lot of things. I can say it right now because the video will be longer than expected, but I just want to share with you that we have products that promote youthfulness that you as a youth can use and still make money out of it. And you like this product, you recommend your friends and family to come use same product with you and you get paid. Have you thought about that? You can work and you can do this business. You can still do whatever you do and have this as a side hustle. It's just about building generational wealth. How does this work? When I come in, I bring in my family. My family has friends, they have other relatives. They bring them in. We are using non-rich products. The link and the network is spreading. And what does we do? These are just network of product users. That is all the company is asking you to do. Use this product, share. This is one of our dietary supplements, the berry oil. They really help in promoting youthfulness because it cleanses your liver, helps with the eye, and lots more. Don't forget that we have a pie cup. This pie cup turns your drinking water to alkaline water, and you drink alkaline water right from a clean cup, not a plastic but stainless steel. What are you waiting for? You can come on board. Just chat me up and ask me how, and I will tell you what's up and how it works. These are things we do every day. When we say there is love in sharing, this is exactly what we do. We use this product, we love it, and we are sharing with you. You too can do the same. Come on board, let's share and build together. When we build together, we win together. Thank you and peace.